Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you had a wonderful time with your families and friends. We got to decorate our church for Christmas this year, and we made these really cute little ornaments. And so we thought it'd be fun to do a tutorial and see if you guys might be into something like that, because we love how they turned out. So today we're gonna show you how to make these really cute snowflake ornaments. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this project is an old hymn. You can find these at thrift stores for $1. And I love being able to use them and not let them go to waste because they're precious. Tape, stapler, hole punch, and scissors. You'll wanna get some twine if you plan to hang them, which you should. So you're gonna start by tearing out a page of an old hymn. I wanna find one that I like. So I like to make sure at all times that the title of the song is shown. So the first thing you're gonna do is fold this paper, and like I said, I want the title showing. So I'm gonna fold it in this way. Okay, so next, you're gonna cut along this line right here, very simple. Just so you know, the kids helped with this, so get your families involved and make it a fun thing. So now we have a triangle. We're just gonna fold that in half, making sure that the title is still on the outside. Next step is you get your scissors, and you're gonna wanna make sure the crease is on the bottom. You're gonna cut 3 lines. I like to keep that title uncut, so I'm gonna start right under the title, and you're gonna cut upwards to where you have about a finger width at the end of the cut. Like I said, we're gonna do 3 lines, space them the same distance apart, just like that. We're gonna unfold it very gently, and then this is a very important part, you're going to turn it over. And there's a reason for that. That's so that our title at the end will still show. That's might not be important to everybody else, but I really like that. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna bring the first 2 together like this. You should be able to fit your finger in there, and you're gonna tape that. Very small piece of tape. Just like that. Very important part, flip it over. Each time you're going to make your loop on the opposite side. So we flip it over, grab your tape, have it ready, and we're gonna do the exact same thing, like so. Flip it over, grab your tape, flip it over, and as you see when we do this last flip, the song that we wanted to be seen is seen on the outside there. And there, we've done it. It takes 6 of these to make a snowflake, so I'll make the rest of the 5 and I'll show you how to bring it all together. Okay, so we have all 6 of these. Doesn't take too long, and now we're gonna staple them together. Like I said, I love the title showing. I think that makes it super special. So just make sure the title is somewhere on the outside. It could be on the inner part of the snowflake or on the outer part of the snowflake, like that. Grab your stapler. Staple these 2, like so. I add 2 at a time. Add that one on this side. First two staples are easy, the last one gets a little crowded. And I want this title on this side. And there you have a snowflake. But to make it a little bit more secure, I'm going to staple the sides together as well. We made these for our church, that's why I used tape. But if you are making them, you can make smaller versions of them. And if you do that and they're gonna be up close and personal, you could always use a hot glue gun instead of tape. Whatever suits your fancy. You don't have to do all of them together, just look for the gaps, and that's what we want to staple together. There's one more little floaty there. And there you go. Grab you a hole punch and get you some twine, and it's a wonderful gift this season. We encourage everybody not to stress out and dead out, but instead make crafts and baked goods and give them to your family. Okay, so for our next snowflake, the only thing you need is a hot glue gun, paper bags. I got at the dollar store 40 bags for $1, and a pair of scissors. That's it. Make sure they're good scissors, it matters. You are going to start with one bag. You want the flappy side, flippy flappy, down. You're going to make a T, just like that, and add your bag to it. You're going to do this with 9 bags. You could do 8, but don't try to go any less than that because it does not work. We tried it. Don't get caught up on the perfection of the glue because it doesn't matter as long as you're getting them stuck together. And there you go. Okay, so that's the easy part. Cutting these are not always easy, but you're just going to cut it as if it's a snowflake. I'm gonna cut the corners on this one. You can do corners, circles. If you're more creative than that, then get more creative. And I'm just gonna do 3 small triangles. Okay, so what you do on one side, you're gonna wanna do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can. Michael and I made about 50 of these for our church, and our hands were literally bruised from the scissors, or mine were yours?
Yes. So,
but we had fun, yeah. We had fun, and it's a good, cheap way to, you know, make a handcrafted gift. All right, so you got your cuts made, and you're just going to open it up all the way, and we're gonna glue this together. Isn't that pretty? I just think that's the prettiest thing. So all you gotta do now is glue these 2 pieces together. You're still gonna make your T. This part is a little trickier and you could easily burn your hand. Not that that happened to us 5 million times. I like to stick my hand in there, which absolutely does burn a little bit, but it makes it precise. Make sure you push it all together. And voila. I encourage you to put your hole with your little hole punch right here. And once again, you can just get twine. Once again, you can get twine, and there's your snowflake. Cute. So there's 2 different types of snowflakes. Doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of money, but it's made with a lot of love. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and Merry Christmas!